Good afternoon. We're over here in Valrico. Wait till you see this really cute 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome. It's in a great location and unit. Look at all this space they've got. Nice and private, very quiet neighborhood, beautiful trees. Let's go take a look. Excited to show you this really cute townhouse, 2238 Golden Oak Lane. So a couple things I want to point out before we even go inside is you'll see the really cute exterior with the stone right here, which is really nice walking up. But you talk about privacy, nothing on this side of it, but beautiful trees, grass, nice and quiet. It's the middle of the afternoon. And so I want to back up here a little bit just to show you plenty of parking down here. Really nice, quiet neighborhood. You can get to Highway 60 in about 30 seconds. Beautiful trees coming in. Exterior maintenance is included. So let's go take a look at this. 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, a little over 1,200 square feet. Great startup place, ideal for young families, singles, what have you. You'll see they've really decorated very nice. Look at the natural light coming in. It's got wood laminate flooring, very tastefully decorated. So it's nice and open. Going upstairs for the bedrooms and the full bath. You can kind of get an idea when you first walk in. So you've got the dining area, cute kitchen, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. This is a half bath, toilet around the other side of the door for your guest, or so you don't have to go upstairs. So backing up this way, the owner has just put quartz countertops in the kitchen. Closet pantry here for your food storage. Stainless steel appliances. Take a look at these really nice quartz countertops. Super nice, very durable. You can see they've made some nice modern updates with some of the hardware, the sink. And then this way you've got a built-in microwave, stainless steel Whirlpool oven. And of course you got to have the coffee bar. That's important, really nice. I love this window looking out the backyard too. So if you're in here in the kitchen, no rear neighbors, really nice and private. Let's stay inside the house. I'm going to take you upstairs. The air conditioned was replaced in 2019. So it's only 5 years old as of the filming of this video. It's end of November 2024. Hope you're ready for your Thanksgiving holiday. Let me show you why I'm up here. So it's got a brand new stack washer and dryer, which will come with the purchase of this townhouse. And of course you've got your AC handler, nothing special to look at, but and both the outside unit is 2019. So coming up here, let me catch my breath. You've got the master bedroom, nice and large. Got the high ceilings, which is really nice. Modern ceiling fan, wall-to-wall carpeting, double windows. This is a walk-in closet in here. Now what's really nice about this is you can get to the bathroom through this door, the full bathroom, or the hallway. So whichever you choose, you can do that. And then this is the full bathroom. Again, see some of the nice updates they've got with the countertop. Really cute, the lighting. This is a tub shower combination. So if you got little ones, you've got that too. And then there's that door that goes right into the bedroom. Backing up here, there's a linen closet right there. This is your other full bedroom. It's got the window, overlooking the back. This is also a walk-in closet too. So 2 walk-in closets in each of the bedrooms. Let me get downstairs and show you the outside. It is so nice and quiet in this community. Look at this. Before I even go back there, just show you. Is anybody home? It is nice and quiet. Of course, these wonderful sellers have stepped out while we do this. So this is a screen lanai. We're having some beautiful weather here today. And then right out the back, there's some pavers here. Put a barbecue grill. And then again, back here, you've got fenced backyard, your AC compressor, and again, nobody behind you, nobody beside you, one neighbor next to you, that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. If you'd like to take a look at this for your own private tour, let me know, be happy to show it to you. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. Hey, thanks for tuning into this video. Do me a favor, if you would like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. Also, click the notification button. Whenever I drop more home tours like this, you'll get notified and be the first to see. Thanks for stopping by.